Let's start by hovering over the Personnel tab and selecting Manage States. Here we can see the existing states, ranging from break or lunch to workshop cleaning and collection/delivery. These can edit it to suit. For example, we may want to allow can use on completed jobs for the collection/delivery state. Click on Edit on the right-hand side. Tick can use on completed jobs and hit Save. Let's run through what the different options do. Starting with Efficiency Reporting State. This is only enabled for the Work in Progress state, as it will record data for the efficiency report when used, as Work in Progress will be used when working on vehicles. Break state is enabled for the break and lunch states. However, if additional break states are created, then ensure you enable this so it factors into the reports correctly. Job number required makes it mandatory to record a job number when selecting a state. Job number not allowed is useful for states such as workshop cleaning, in which a vehicle wouldn't be involved. Can used on completed jobs, as mentioned before, could be for delivery. The checked-in state is the default option for checked in. And finally, alert when used will display a notification on TechMan when a technician uses the state. If you'd like to create a new state, click the blue plus button in the top left corner. You'll be able to add a description of the state, a message, and assign the job status. The job will enter if this is a state used on jobs. Lastly, select the necessary options discussed previously, and then hit Save. Let's see what this looks like in action on the terminal. Once logged in, make sure the technician is checked in. You'll then be able to view the states available to use. Simply click on the state desired and hit Save. You should then see a confirmation here at the top. Alternatively, click on the Jobs tab and select a job. Then choose the Work in Progress state and save state.